DESTILA company was established back in 1947 as a cooperative developing the traditions of metalworking that go back to the year 1875. Initially, the company manufactured mainly distilling equipment, adding the production of radiators and solid fuel boilers at the end of the 1950s. Manufacture of stabilization filters and bakery machinery was launched at the same time. In the 1970s, DESTILA grew to be a major European manufacturer of filter slot candles and launched the production of stationary gas boilers, which proved to be the company's dominating article until the 1990s. Manufacture of bakery machinery became the backbone of DESTILA's production program at the turn of the centuries. In 2007, DESTILA changed its legal form to Limited Liability Company. The second half of the 1990s saw a heightened interest in the deliveries of complete mini-breweries, which currently figure as the leading segment of the company's manufacturing program, as well as its exports. Each mini-brewery is designed and tailor-made to fit specific conditions and premises. The backbone of each new mini-brewery is its projected total beer production volume. DESTILA produces restaurant mini-breweries with a capacity ranging from 300 to 9,000 hectolitres of beer a year, and small industrial breweries with an annual output ranging from 10,000 to 40,000 hectolitres. It also manufactures cask washing machines and beer transport pumps. A major factor affecting the final quality of produced beer is brewer's yeast. For large industrial breweries, DESTILA has developed and offers propagation stations for the propagation of pure beer yeast cultures. DESTILA also offers specialized services of a maltster and long-term deliveries of feedstock for beer brewing, that is malt, hops and yeast cultures, complete with full-scale services. DESTILA mini-breweries are exported to Russia, Ukraine, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, Tajikistan, Azerbaijan, Slovakia and Poland. Equipment for the distilling industry has always formed a significant part of DESTILA's production portfolio. Since 1947, the company has been manufacturing grower distilleries and fruit distilleries for the production of spirit from fermented fruit mash. Its offer comes complete with two types of equipment, a traditional distilling unit with a feedstock still and a rectification boiler, and a modern unit furnished with a still vessel and a 3-tier rectification column. Both types are manufactured for the batch volume of feedstock still of 150, 300 and 600 litres respectively. However, other distilling apparatuses can be custom-made. The company also supplies volume alcohol meters and pitting machines. Operating all over the Czech Republic, grower distilleries are exported to Slovakia. They were also supplied to such countries as Peru and Vietnam. DESTILA's rich experience in beer brewing and distilling processes has been amply used in the development of distilling equipment for the production of non-alcoholic beer for the Černá Hora brewery. Beer distilling reduces alcohol content below 0.04%, while a high-quality beer distillate is a byproduct. The use of Kieseguhl filters is today a classical method for filtering off yeast and other sediments from beer, wine and other beverages and liquids. The system of horizontal filtration networks used by DESTILA in smaller filters, just as its system of vertical filtering candles mounted into bigger types of filters, guarantee high quality and reliability of filtration. Operation and maintenance of the DESTILA filters is easy, operating costs are low and performance fully commensurate with their European competitors. That is why the DESTILA filters are used by more than a half of Czech breweries and by a large number of wine producers. DESTILA has recently developed a new type of stabilization filter designed to remove bacteria and other harmful organisms from the filtrate using the method known as cold pasteurization. Kneading and dividing machines are the core of the company's production of bakery machinery. DESTILA offers kneading machines with a batch volume of 25, 50 and 80 kilos of kneaded dough, respectively. This range is supplemented by an older type with a capacity of 100 kilos. In addition, the company offers dumpling rollers and machines producing breadsticks. Besides its bakery machinery, DESTILA manufactures gas boilers of the DPL automatic type series with welded steel exchangers. Thanks to their reliability, these boilers have been a much sought-after article to this day. A major component of the company's manufacturing portfolio is the production of pressure and standard stainless vessels. Many customers contact DESTILA with requests for piece production of various stainless components. These are produced in Brno and at Slavkov near Brno. Coppersmith products are part and parcel of DESTILA's manufacturing program. In addition to coppers for grower distilleries, the company also handles individual orders for the manufacture of copper tanks or their components for different purposes. Copper is also used to produce, for instance, decorative linings or coverings for brewing vessels for many breweries and various interior elements for restaurants. During the past decade, DESTILA supplied roughly 70 grower distilleries to customers in the Czech Republic alone. The DESTILA brand filtration lines have been working in Russia, Ukraine and Turkmenistan, as well as in Syria, Cuba or Peru. To date, DESTILA has received many awards. In the 1980s, 4 Golden Salima prizes for its bakery machinery at the exhibition of the same name held in Brno. In the 1990s, award for outstanding design for its gas boilers. In 2007, award of the Czech Union of Breweries and Malt Plants for its extraordinary credit for the Czech beer brewing industry, in recognition of its development and manufacture of equipment for the production of non-alcoholic beer. Since 2004, DESTILA has been using the certified quality management system according to the CSN-EN ISO 9001 standards. Over the past decade, DESTILA has succeeded in strengthening its position on foreign markets. 30 to 40% of the total volume of its orders is exported. There are almost 30 DESTILA-made mini-breweries operating throughout the world, their overall capacity exceeding 130,000 hectoliters of beer a year. In the future, DESTILA seeks to increase deliveries to the domestic market and the European Union, while maintaining its position on the other foreign markets where the DESTILA brand is well known.